So I got a few more scarves that I wanted to share. I think I started off making like team ones back in 2017. So this is another one. Back my seat up some so you can see it. There you go. This is another one. And I got one more team one that I pulled out of the crate. And I used to make them like, you know what I'm saying, and sell them on ETSY until I quit them a while ago. And also, they went hard when it came to like gifts. These went really, really hard, along with the pillows and the pillows. Child, anything team. I done it. I think I made one of my friends a pair of boxers. Like, this team stuff be going hard.